Saturday and Sunday again. And then Saturday and Sunday again. So it's all together 8 times. Really? How do you know? Because I went on. Just to, it's nice to. Okay lah, at least you missed it. Oh. You missed it, I think you guys will kill me. Luckily today it's not gonna kill me. Oh. Huh? Show the time for unexpectedly. Time for this experiment. 9. This is 9 to you, man? Only 9. Huh? I mean, it's better than downstairs. Okay. Actually, you said you should be down. Don't block by me. You don't know you go in front. No, it's okay. Just now I went in front, also not there. Not much. Not bad. I mean, not much difference, so I'd rather take it here. Yeah, the guy don't give up lah. It's not your place. Very exploding. You have the whole room because it's very near. Hey, it's better than National Day one. Really? Yeah. I don't like the National Day one. National Day one a bit. This one? Genting one is like one day. You know the firecracker, 1 by 1. Very long. This one I think they put it quite nice. I think. Not very monotonous, you can see very many shines. Let's see. 冇了啊？I think so. Hey, no leh. Come on. More leh. Genting one, very expensive.